I just want to say it's a great day today for Richmond Little Leaguers. They look so great. Each team looks beautiful in your new uniforms. This is a wonderful, wonderful collective effort of many people, the coaches, the parents, for plugging your kids into this wonderful activity. The City of Richmond, Richmond PAL, all these fields look great. We are encouraging healthy activities for our kids. Little League is healthy, teaches them team spirit, teaches them, to take care of their bodies and be physically fit and active. This is what we're all about in Richmond. So I'm excited to be here celebrating the start of Little League today, this year's season, and I'm really excited to throw the first pitch.
That's it. Thank you very much. All right.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
I thought it was going to be right there.